As your Azure environment grows larger and larger, it's sometimes hard to keep track of what's changing, how much it's costing, and where your savings opportunities are. StratoLens seeks to help. StratoLens is a self-hosted solution that runs entirely within your tenant. No information about your environment ever leaves your control. StratoLens automatically scans your Azure environment on a schedule you maintain. It discovers every resource that exists and every change that occurs. The dashboard can help you find when changes occurred. And you can drill down into each individual change to see what was deleted, what was added, or what might have been modified, including RBAC changes. You can also see management group level changes. Correlate these changes with activity logs to find out who took which actions. Use the resource history to see what changes occurred to an individual resource over time. This network security group recently had a firewall rule added, and a few days ago, it had a firewall rule adjusted. Go back in time and see exactly what changed over the history of any resource, including tags and RBAC. Review your current costs and filter on many things such as resource name, types, or tags. You can even search for tags that aren't applied. Easily identify untagged resources that are costing you money so you can find out where your tags need to be adapted. Cost anomalies help you find when sudden cost increases occur or decreases. You can also correlate these with your resource change history to see what may have changed when the spike occurred. Several cost-saving opportunities can be highlighted by StratoLens, such as VM resizing and orphaned resources. Identify resources that don't have any purpose in your environment, either because they're completely unattached to something or if they're not currently being used, such as a NAT gateway or VPN, which has no connections. StratoLens can track more than just changes to resources. It can also track changes to your Azure policy assignments and compliance. Easily see when compliance changes occur so you can quickly act. Identify all users who have access to some resources in Azure, and then also access optimizations, such as users who aren't using their permissions. This user has access to make RBAC changes, but hasn't done so for over 81 days. This user has access to make changes to resources, but never has done so. They might be able to be bumped down to reader only. The network visualizer helps you easily visualize your networks. See where your resources are, what layout of your networks exist, and also your network security groups and route table associations. Email notifications can keep you updated about your Azure environment. Get notified as soon as a new orphaned resource pops up so you can remove it, or if a major change occurs. This has been a quick introduction to StratoLens. We have a much more detailed video on our website at www.strato-lens.com. Thanks for watching.